Buying a used car under $5,000 might sound like a gamble, but the truth is, there are some hidden legends out there that simply refuse to die. These are the kind of cars that mechanics respect, cars that keep running long after others have given up, and the best part is, they won't break your wallet. In today's video, we're counting down 5 cars you can still find under $5,000 that are built to last forever. Stick around, because number 3 on this list might surprise you. The Kia Soul from 2008 to 2014 may not look like your typical reliable car, but it has built a solid reputation over the years. Its boxy shape gives it a quirky personality, and more importantly, a surprisingly roomy interior that feels closer to a small SUV than a compact hatch. According to Consumer Reports, the Soul from these years scored above-average reliability, especially for its engine and transmission, which is rare for a budget-friendly car. Most models came with the 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, known for being simple, fuel-efficient, and easy to maintain. Edmunds highlights that many owners have reported their Souls passing 200,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes and basic care. On the used market, Kelley Blue Book shows that you can still find clean examples from this generation for under $5,000, and unlike most cars in that price range, it doesn't feel stripped down. Features like Bluetooth, a decent sound system, and a high driving position make the Soul practical, cheap to own, and unique on the road. The second-generation Toyota Prius, built from 2003 to 2009, is more than just a hybrid. It's a symbol of reliability and efficiency. While many people worry about the cost of hybrid batteries, Consumer Reports consistently rated this generation of the Prius as one of the most reliable cars of its time, with above-average scores year after year. The hybrid system, including the 1.5-liter engine and electric motor combination, is remarkably durable, often lasting well past 200,000 miles. Edmunds points out that even when battery replacement is needed, costs have come down significantly, and many original packs are still going strong today. Kelley Blue Book lists plenty of second-gen Prius models available under $5,000, making it one of the cheapest ways to get into a car that averages over 45 miles per gallon. Owners also highlight its low maintenance needs, with brake pads lasting longer thanks to regenerative braking. Affordable, ultra-efficient, and backed by Toyota's legendary reputation, the Prius Gen 2 is proof that not all hybrids are expensive headaches. Some just keep going forever. The Jeep Grand Cherokee from 2005 to 2010 offers a lot of SUV for the money. Known for its rugged looks and comfortable ride, this generation brought a mix of engines, from the reliable 3.7-liter V6 to the more powerful 5.7-liter Hemi V8. According to Consumer Reports, the V6 models in particular scored better for long-term reliability and lower repair costs compared to the thirstier V8 versions. Edmunds notes that owners appreciate the Grand Cherokee's comfortable interior, solid off-road capability, and towing capacity, making it a versatile option for families on a budget. The downside? Fuel economy isn't great, but if you choose the simpler trims with the V6, you'll avoid most of the expensive maintenance issues. Kelley Blue Book shows plenty of these SUVs on the used market under $5,000. Especially higher mileage but well-maintained examples. For buyers who want a big, capable SUV without spending a fortune, the Grand Cherokee from this era can be a smart buy as long as you pick the right engine and keep up with regular maintenance. The 2006 Acura TL is one of those cars that used to be a luxury statement, but today can be found for under $5,000, making it a hidden gem for smart buyers. Built on Honda's legendary reliability foundation, the TL came with a 3.2-liter V6 producing 258 horsepower, delivering smooth power and excellent highway performance. According to Consumer Reports, this generation of TL scored above average in overall reliability, especially for its drivetrain and interior quality. Edmunds highlights the TL's upscale features for the time: leather seats, premium sound system, navigation, and a refined cabin that still feels modern today. Owners often report these cars lasting well beyond 200,000 miles with routine maintenance, though it's worth noting that automatic transmission issues have been reported in some models. Regular fluid changes are key. Kelley Blue Book shows plenty of well-kept examples in the U.S. market under $5,000, making it one of the cheapest ways to get into a luxury sedan that doesn't break the bank. If you want comfort, performance, and long-term durability at a bargain price, the 2006 Acura TL delivers on all fronts. The 2014 Mazda 3 is proof that not every affordable car has to be boring. Built with Mazda's reputation for sporty handling and strong reliability, this compact sedan and hatchback has aged remarkably well. According to Consumer Reports, the 2014 Mazda 3 scored above average in reliability, especially for its engine and transmission. It comes with either a 2.0-liter or 2.5-liter Skyactiv 4-cylinder, both praised for fuel efficiency and durability, with owners commonly reporting well over 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Edmunds highlights the Mazda 3's sharp steering and engaging drive, often calling it the driver's choice in the compact car segment. Inside, the 2014 model feels more upscale than most competitors, with features like touchscreen infotainment, Bluetooth, and even available leather seats in higher trims. Kelley Blue Book lists many 2014 Mazda 3 models under $5,000 today, making it one of the best bargains in the used market for anyone looking for a reliable daily driver that's also fun to own. Stylish, dependable, and affordable, the Mazda 3 is a car that simply refuses to die. And there you have it, 5 cars you can still buy today for under $5,000 that have proven they can go the distance. Each one of these models has earned a reputation backed not only by owners, but also by trusted sources like Consumer Reports, Edmunds, and Kelley Blue Book. The truth is, buying a used car doesn't always mean taking a risk. If you choose wisely, you can get reliability, value, and even a little bit of style without draining your wallet. If you enjoyed this list, make sure to stick around because in the next videos we'll bring you even more hidden gems and reliable cars that most people overlook.